What is up, YouTube? It's Khalil the Mechanic back with another video today. Got my sister's GXP with me today. I'm going to be installing a battery shutoff switch, which essentially is going to, well, not essentially, but hopefully definitely is going to allow her to turn the car off like normal and then hit a button because it's Bluetooth compatible. She's going to hit the button and then it's going to shut battery power off to the car. That way we don't have to worry about the battery dying anymore. I got it off Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description below. I've seen good reviews for it. I've looked up many battery switches because this is an ongoing, tiring issue. That's my dad. It's big for no reason in his truck. It's been an ongoing issue. So I've looked up some reviews, and the one that I picked out seems to be a good one. So hopefully everybody's right and I'm not that one unlucky person. So do me a favor real quick if you haven't already. Like the video because you're gonna like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna say a little bit of extra stuff today. Do me a favor, search me up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, every social media platform. My name is Khalil the Mechanic. So if you could just definitely follow, add, like, subscribe, whatever the case may be. Do that, and definitely here on YouTube because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is February 17th. We got about 80 people to go, but it's still possible, so make that happen for me, please. But anyways, enough of that. Let me get the car pulled in and get started. So to avoid contact, I always like to just stick a rag under there. That way it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Are these? I could just go get a ratchet. Ouch. That's how you get it out by yourself. So you know what I just realized? I put the battery in the trunk. I need power to get in the trunk. And I just took the power out of the car, so I'm gonna connect some jumper cables from here to here real quick and get the trunk open. See if this works the way I want it to. The battery's already weak as it is. It worked. If you're ever wondering how to get your battery out, I like to set this little flap right here right on top of the power steering pulley, which gives you enough room to drop the battery in vertically and then rotate it. And now is also a good time to grab anything you may have dropped down here in the past. It's that simple. I usually get it done faster than that too. It's the crazy part. All right, so this is the package here. I like the way Amazon tapes their packages because it's like the easiest thing in the world to rip open. Woo. It's pretty small. Let's see how difficult this may be. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I read in a lot of the reviews that the instructions that were provided weren't the best. So the way this will work, one of these battery terminals is going to connect to the battery like normal. The other one is basically going to have this shutoff switch installed in the middle. So if we were, say, using a positive, we will have one of these terminals it comes with attached to it like that. And then we'll connect this here with the hardware they provide. And then off of here, we're going to connect this. So basically, it's car, box, battery. This has to go in the middle because this is basically your on and off switch. I see what the people mean when they say the instructions are a bit confusing. They're not confusing if you understand polarities, positive and negatives, and other electrical stuff, but for somebody who's installing this and dealing with stuff like this for a first time, it may be confusing. All right, so I've got the battery shutoff switch installed correctly now. So when I hit that button, like, let's see if you notice, open the door right now, we have no dome lights. I hit the on button and the lights cut on. So it's off again. So I have it installed correctly. I see what people mean. The instructions, they are pretty vague. I ended up watching a YouTube video to help me install it. But now that I have it installed correctly, I'm going to show you how. So you can indeed use either the positive or negative battery terminal. So this is how I have it here. I had to sacrifice the fuse box cover because this box was not going to fit over here, which is why I used the positive. But we have the terminal they gave us here, which it comes off, and this is it here. I have this part attached to the relay box, and that's one of the posts that comes on it. And then on the other side, what you see, this one is basically the other side of the switch. Now, I was confused before because I thought one of these was positive and the other was negative, but it can be either or. Just, you can't do positive and negative. You have to do positive, positive, or negative, negative. So that was kind of confusing for me. Not that I don't understand this stuff, but the instructions, like I said, along with many others, they are a bit confusing. But that part is very simple now that I understand how this works, because again, this thing is not labeled at all. But off of it, we have our positive and negative wire to keep a constant power going to this, because something has to power it when you hit on and off. So again, now that it's installed, it's actually pretty self-explanatory. And in the middle of filming this video, we just got a new subscriber, Jerry Joseph. Shout out to you. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. I hope you're watching this and you get to see this part. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So now I think I may have killed the battery with all the work I've been doing. So it's probably going to need a jump start, which I'm going to get the charger set up on it. And I'm going to give this thing a review in a few days. Not that I think, if it doesn't work, I don't think this is the problem. If it doesn't work, then the car is the problem, definitely, because, I mean, this is doing what it's supposed to do. So if it's still not starting up in the morning, it's definitely the car. And at that point, probably just going to throw the whole car in the garbage can. Can't wait for big garbage day. But let me get this all put back together and jump start it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so finally got the GXP up and running, because like I said, I'm pretty sure I killed the battery while I was fandangling with everything under the hood. So got it running. I'm about to take it around driving on the expressway, get the battery charged back up, and then I'll do a review for it in the morning just to see if the shutoff switch, works the way I want it to. At least If it doesn't hold the power it's supposed to hold, then it's definitely internal with the car. It's not the battery, because like I said, it's a brand new battery. But my next plan after that, if this doesn't work, if it's still not enough power in the morning, I'm gonna probably try and replace the power wires and starter, like I had said earlier. And if that doesn't work, then the last thing I'm gonna do is have a second battery installed in the trunk, just so that there's double the power. And after that, I'm probably, sad to say, I'm gonna give up. So I'll be right back in the morning time like that. All right, so it's morning time, 2 days later. I felt like complete shit yesterday. I don't know why. I think I had a stomach bug. I woke up threw up like two, 3 times yesterday. Shit was horrible, but I'm back now, so let's give it a test. I'm gonna try and remote start it, but it's been forever, so I'm not sure how to remote start it, but on. I know you couldn't hear the click, but I just heard the click. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. Still don't know what I'm doing. Go. There we go. That is such a great feeling to know that that on and off switch worked. I know you heard in the video it was a tad bit slow, but I mean it worked, and it's pretty cold outside right now, so being that it's cold and it worked, it should definitely work once the weather starts to warm up. So I'm actually about to do her a favor and park it in front of the house. But definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely like and subscribe to the channel. Or, you know, like I always say, if you, in this case, like the GXP or Tentmobile in the background, also like and subscribe to the channel. Or just because you love me and the content that I post, like and subscribe to the channel, comment your thoughts, etc., etc. And that's it. I'm about to go tint some windows for the day, so thanks for watching.